Today we're just going to do a real quick video of a situation that was presented to me the other day, and that is how to format your numbers so that they all have the same decimals. Because as we know in Excel, if you take 105 and 95, these are two different. We have one with 3 digits, one with 2. So if you take the 95 and put 095 to make it 3 digits, as soon as you click out of the cell, it goes back. Now you could change this to text and it would line up accordingly. The problem is it's text. You're not going to be able to manipulate it as a number being in a text field. So if you have another data sheet somewhere and it's wanting this to be all the same amount of digits, all 3, all 4, all 5, the easiest way to do that is in this one right here. We're going to use this. We're going to make all of these 3 digits. Just simply click on the column, go up here to your numbers, click on it, go down to more number formats, keep it at custom, keep this at general, and right here, just put how many spaces you want, or characters. So we're going to hit 0 3 times, and that's going to make all of these 3 digits. Hit OK, and there you go. And to show that they're still numbers instead of text, numbers typically align with the right side unless if you formatted them. As you notice, letters are on the left, numbers are on the right. But just to demonstrate it one more time, we're going to equals, and we'll take these 2 rows. So we'll take 105 plus 95 and see if we get 200. And we do. So even though these have leading zeros, they're still retaining their normal values. So anyway, just a quick lesson for today. Have a good one.